Hello and welcome to this brand new video about my challenge, $100 to $1,000 flip account challenge, and I'm going uh, to analyze the market. Remember, my challenge is take maximum of 3 trades per day, and the size is the micro lot, 1,000 units, and I can withdraw a maximum of 2% at the moment because I have a limit of 1,000 units at the moment with my account, and MetaTrader 4 is the platform that limit this maximum amount of money that you can trade, the minimum, sorry. And I'm going to analyze the weekly chart. As you can see, I already drawn my line. This is the trend line, and is a bullish line, and we are in the second phase, and we will see to make some forecasts, but I'm going to see the daily chart. In this moment, we have a trading range in this area. I'm going to see the daily is confirm a trading range between 1.17 here to 1.95, and I'm going to see, and therefore we are in the middle of this trading range, and there's been already a week in the upper side of this trading range. I'm going to see the H4 4-hour. In the 4-hour time frame, the situation is not clear, of course, but we can see we took this level. There was a level of uncertainty in the market, or the market tried to go long, and therefore there are some orders, stop loss order for the short side too, and the market goes down and rebounds it. It broken this trend line, the daily trend line, rebounded, and now is playing with the trend line, and is forming a triangle here, and therefore the situation is not clear. Is not a good day to trade because we are near a ending of a triangle formation, but we will try to do something. H1. Now in the H1 is clear that this moving average, the 60 moving average, is sustaining the price, but there is a line here. We can see this line in this chart too, and you can see the line. If you draw with the week, there is a line in this way. If you draw with the price, the line is in this way. But as you can see, the line has been broken and now is retesting, and I can say there is a good chance that the market have to go down this area this, and this, and this has been an area already worked. Sorry. And I will say this area. And this area has been not worked yet. And will be a future position of the market. And now we have to understand what's going on here, but here was a very area of battle between the downtrend and the uptrend, and at the moment we don't know if it has been won, sorry, but we can see that there was a good reaction here to the trend line, and could be a long for the day, but this time is 9 o'clock for me here, and 8 o'clock for the London session, and is too early to make some consideration about this, but I'm going to see the 15 minutes chart, and we can see the rejection is already in place, but here there was a big sell moment, and now I'm going to see other time frame with the MetaTrader 4. This is the one live trading account chart, and going to see what's going on with the sentiment. And here I can see the orders and position of Oanda client, and you can see there is a big sell in the area of 1.14. There is a big buy in the area of 1.22, 1.26% of the buy orders, and there is a big sell too in the area of 1.24, and therefore I think the market will try to go higher to take at least this price, and I don't know if it go up to this price, but could be. And this is of course a quite long prediction. It could be 1 month or 2 weeks, we don't know, but this is the situation for the orders, and I'm going to see the situation for the positions too, and you can see the position are very balanced in this area, between seller and buyer, but it seems that there are more buyer than seller at the moment. This is the side of the seller is less thick, less pronounced. And now I'm going to see in deep the chart, This is my chart. This is my practice demo account with one the broker, and so we are in a real account, but with a fake money at the moment. And I'm going to see my position, and we can see the balance is 101.41, and at the moment I am up with 1.41% of my account. Now I'm going to see the M15 charts, and we can see the situation is not clear. It's quite a little uptrend at the moment. And I'm going to see M5 too. And this is more clear. We can see that at the moment there is a rejection of this cell, and it started an uptrend, but arrived at 50% of this downtrend, and now there is a wick that say could be a rejection of this level or a continuation of the downtrend. And we go to the 1 minute chart too. And here we can see that it tried to go higher, it tried to go down, and it's being rejected here. Now I'm not clear the market, and I have to stop this video, to pause, and to try to make some consideration of this data. I soon back. Again, there is a good work in this area. There is a battle at the moment, and the upper trend is trying to go higher, and the downtrend is trying to go lower. And of course, at the moment, we don't know who is winning this battle. There was to try to regain the momentum, and now there is a good chance that go higher, and I'm buying, of course, yes, I'm buying, and I'm going to make my stop profit. Oh, I already lose my stop loss and take profit in this area. And now I stop, and I will be back when something happening. But as you can see, is happening something, but the chances are that the market reverse. At the moment, the market is starting a pre-market, and you can see there was a big try to go higher, and now I think it's the end of this trade. I have to stop and to wait for my stop loss. As you can see, it's trying to go higher. I change my stop loss, even is too early, but I'm trying to, and I stopped. Hello, I'm closing my position. It's now stop it.